Hi guys, I Minal Verma is ready with another video. So today there is a good news and it gives me immense pleasure to tell you that the vaccine for coronavirus is now ready. It has started its way to us. The vaccine is on last stage trials. So there is a company that has also started its production. The company is AstraZeneca with the scientists at Oxford University. They have started manufacturing this vaccine and they will be able to supply 2 billion doses of vaccine. And this vaccine will be soon in the market till September. So the vaccine is CHADOX1 and COVID-19. This vaccine is an adenovirus vector and the vaccine has this important quality that even in a single dose, the vaccine produces strong immunity in an individual, patient as well as any other person also. So, the Janner Institute as well as the Oxford Vaccine Group, they all are collaborating with the AstraZeneca company in order to produce the vaccine for our desire, that is against the coronavirus. Soon I will be available with more important information about this vaccine. So be connected with me and like my video, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the notification, and thank you.